expected. For example, but they are operational. Number 2, I'm waiting to hear somebody. But the bachelor's is fake. Now in the world of ICT, why can't we also have the anti-corruption policies, discuss their way forward and enact?
The next page.
80% of the cases that EACC investigates are on corruption, touching on procurement, and that is our main interest, to ensure that the person charged with entrenching ethics in these institutions are at the forefront. And examinations are a key thing in decision making, and we would want to ensure that the integrity of these exams is not compromised.
So that we have been looking, Commission has been also getting in the areas of employment, issues on people using falsified certificates. We have issued advisories both to the counties in terms of the county public service boards, county assembly public service boards, on how they need to address that, and one of them is making sure that the employees they are actually interviewing or they are planning to take, they are actually vetted, submitting the names to the Commission for Integrity Vetting, and also verifying those document certificates from the issuing institutions.
Board, we have a lot to implement, and we are still, it's a continuous process with the EACC, at least to ensure that we have integrity exams and we churn out professionals who have integrity through our curriculum.